Hello guys, welcome to Solving Solutions, in Bowen channel where I get solutions to all your solving problems. It's nice having you in class again. Today, how have you been? On today's tutorial, we are going to use this digital elevation model to get contours on sofa. Right, good. So it's actually a very quick one. You have a digital elevation model and then you want to get the contours out of it. So you go to File and then you try to navigate to the folder, or you actually drag and drop. Then you come to contours. Good. So you navigate to the folder where you have your digital elevation model, you select, and then you have this TIFF import window, and then you click on OK. Good. So we have the contours, and then this is for the base map. If we take it out, we have the contour lines. You can actually zoom in. It covers a large extent, so you can click on the contour, you come to the properties, you see the levels, and then you can decide to update the contour interval. Remember, if you increase it, you have fewer contour lines, and then if you actually reduce it, it was 50, right? Good. If we take it to 20, we have more contour lines, right? Good. So you can decide to fill the contour, do as much stuff as you want to do with any contour you have, and then change the fill to something else. But basically what we want to show to you on today's tutorial is that you can import your digital elevation model directly to Sofa and then modify the contour, maybe generate contour lines for it. Maybe subsequently we are going to look at different other options like 3D, maybe relief, the special to see grid values and the rest of that. So we are going to see you on the next one. Until then, keep staying safe and have a fantastic time. Bye.